Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Toyota Corolla Accent hatch. Stock reference number 4327. The shape runs from the 12th month 2001 through to the 6th month 2007. It has a 1ZZ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1ZZ FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille. Left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, non-spoiler type. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Right rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2 switch type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, left-hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.